Tips that will help you become a better golfer. Golf can be a very enjoyable and relaxing sport that anyone can enjoy playing. However, for a beginner, that golf club can be a very intimidating piece of equipment to handle. So, what should a novice do to learn how to use it? Well, read the tips below, of course. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure to tip the helpful people that bring you beverages or food while on the course. It cannot be easy to be out there in the hot sun all day serving other people. Take care of people in the service industry and they will be sure to take care of you in return. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you follow your ball after you hit it. This is extremely important so that you do not waste time by looking for your ball. If you have trouble tracking your shots, you may ask somebody else in your party to assist you in locating your shots. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you are using your full body when you are trying to add more power to your shot. This is important because if you try to use arm or wrist strength, you will throw off the accuracy of your shot. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you are not too low to the ground when hitting the ball. This is important because doing so will cause you to make too much contact with the ground, resulting in a large divot and a high arch on your ball. To maximize swing strength, you need to involve your whole body, from your torso all the way down to your legs. Whip your upper body around as you swing, using the power of your legs pressing downward, to further energize your stroke. If you want to lower your score with a little psychological trick, use golf balls in a color that matches the flag. Somehow, for some people at least, this physical color match can make it easier to get the ball closer to the hole. Now you should be able to see why golf can be such an enjoyable sport to participate in. There is so much fun and relaxation to be had as one tries to put the golf ball into the hole. With these tips in mind, you can start putting like a pro. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.